Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start inside your inbox, find the message with the Drive file or link and click it. If prompted, sign into the same Google account you use for Drive access because permissions are tied to accounts. Once done, choose Open in Drive or View in Drive instead of downloading, so you retain version history and sharing controls. Make sure to pause and confirm the sender. Shared links often require explicit permission. If you lack access, request it from the sender. Once the file opens in the Drive viewer, you can interact without downloading. This preserves live links and comments. To keep a copy, click Add to my Drive or use the folder icon to select a destination. This creates a personal pointer rather than duplicating storage. Make sure to organize it into a folder immediately, because tidy Drive folders reduce future search time. If you need collaborators, click Share, add emails, and set viewer, commenter, or editor roles so access matches your intent. To finish, verify the file appears under my Drive and opens without permission errors, then rename or move it for future retrieval. If you want broader access, change the link settings to anyone with link and pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Be careful with public links. If something goes wrong, request access from the file owner first. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, clear your browser cache, or try an incognito window. These steps fix most
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.